3, Tower 1, first alarm assignment, structure fire, Speedway gas Dunkin' Donuts, 156 Hyannis Road, car 3, engine 6, engine 3, Tower 1, first alarm assignment, structure fire, Speedway gas Dunkin' Donuts, 156 Hyannis Road.
Fire alarm to all receivers. Possible structure fire, 156 Iron Road. It's going to be the Speedway gas station.
Ambulance 1's responding from the hospital to the scene.
Receive Ambulance 1, you're responding from the hospital to the scene, 156 Iron Road, the Speedway gas station, 1845.
Fire alarm, car 3's on.
Car 3, you're on to 156 Iron Road, Speedway gas station. It's going to be Ops 1C4. Engine 6, you're on to 156 Iron Road, the Speedway gas station, 1845. Tower 1, you're on to 156 Iron Road, the Speedway gas station. Nearest hydrant is going to be just outside the entrance on Yarmouth Road. Ambulance 1 on location, 1846.
Side A, single-story commercial convenience store. Car 3, I'll come in.
Receive all locations, side A, single-story commercial convenience store. You'll have command, 1848.
Fire on command.
Answer command.
Just doing a fire in the wall on side A of the property. Started on the exterior, has moved its way to the interior. The engine of the tower will be opening up and stretching a line.
There's fire in the wall on side A, moving to the interior. Going to be opening up and stretching a line, 1848.
Ladder 1 on location. Command from the ladder. Your pleasure. Tower 1, if you can get in the parking lot here, we'll have you open up the inside.